Today we're going to be talking about shampoos. Hi guys, my name's Sean from Concept Chemicals, and today we're going to be talking about shampoos, or what you guys traditionally call wash and waxes. And obviously, as a manufacturer of chemicals, we've got 4 brands. So what I've done is I've selected a number of products out of the brands because they all offer different qualities. So when we look at commercial cleaning, high volume cleaning, we're looking at a product called Auto Shampoo. So Auto Shampoo is basically a concentrated product which dilutes 1 to 100. It generates lots of bubbles, so it's got a nice luxurious foam to it. When we look at a product called, out the Expert 60 range, we've got a product called Wash and Wax. So Wash and Wax does exactly everything that the Auto Shampoo does, but it contains a wax, so it will leave your vehicle finish leaving nice and shiny, a nice wax finish to the vehicle. And then for the guy that actually wants a little bit more, who's obviously wanting to treat his car and reduce water spotting and actually cut down on his shamming time, his drying time, we've got a product in the zirconite range called Nano Shampoo and Conditioner. And Nano Shampoo basically does exactly the same as the other 2 products, but it contains waxes and drying agents. So when you look at the products, from the shampoo to the wash and wax to the Nano Shampoo, the differences are, obviously there's a price implication, but this particular one's got all the bells and whistles on it. So this one will do in effect more than the other 2 products. It's slightly more expensive, but to enable you to use this particular product, the dilution rates are critical. So if we look at the Auto Shampoo, people tend to use this style of products where they pour it into a bucket and they work on glugs. So the dilution rates are not quite as critical, primarily because if we actually overdose it, we actually generate more bubbles. When we look at a wash and wax, we're after basically putting a wax finish to our vehicle. You could actually overdose it, but what in effect you're actually doing, you're actually wasting product. So when we talked about coatings before or previously, the protection or the wax finish is actually when it comes into contact with the surface. Anything over and above that is actually waste product. So again, the dilution rates are not quite as critical because it doesn't contain the drying agents, but what we don't want to do, we don't want to actually waste product, we want to save a little bit of money. When we look at the Nano Shampoo, because it's a concentrate which will dilute anything up to 1 to 300, contains waxes and drying agents, the dilution rate with this particular product are critical. And by that I mean if you actually underdose it or overdose it, the product won't do what you want it to do, which is in effect start to dry itself and leave a nice wax finish. So if we underdose it and overdose it, we will be left with a blanket of water on the car's paintwork, which is not the objective of the particular product. So the dilution rates are critical. So it will reduce water spotting, it will give you the hydrophobic qualities, and the hydrophobic qualities with this particular product will last anything up to 4 weeks after applying and cleaning your car. So it will also enhance your paintwork, which has been pre-treated with a ceramic or quartz coating to protect that as well. So those are the differences in your shampoos. Bells and whistles, conventional shampoo, which is just high volume shops, yeah? So, shampoos. Anyway guys, if you liked it, hit the like button. If you've got any comments or you want to add anything to it, put it in the comments section below. Failing that, if you actually go beyond that, you can look on the Expert 60, Zirconite, Surface and Concept websites for any products that you're actually looking to protect your investment.